Okay, enough playing. Stop doing bus. Stop doing bus. Stop doing bus. Dang. Xavier, did you just blink? Don't blink no more. Xavier, are you breathing? Are you breathing? Don't breathe no more. Don't breathe. $200. 250 times. Get off! Get off my boss! Get off! Get off now! Get off my boss! 250. Ah! Now I just need to get 500. Bro, how am I supposed to get down? They literally spawned me right here, bro. How am I supposed to go now, bro? They literally spawned me here. Come on! Stop doing that 100 flashbang, bro. I'll take a risk when I get 500 kills. Right now. Give him his slush money. He gotta take a booty. Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Where? That's my line. This ballhead talking about me. 500 times. Trying to be risky. Trying to be risky. Another 500. It's a 600 kill streak. Yeah. I believe I can do this, bro. I know I'm gonna fall, so. Alright, so I'm almost back at 500 kills. All right, time for 500 again. These one of my favorite phases.
It took you 20 minutes? What's the number 5? Well, you need to go back to class, okay?
Just look at the 250. Okay, making sure I didn't kill them. The class skipper. Different types of students in the hallway. The class skipper. He tried to kill me. No, this ain't fair, bro. This ain't fair, bro. You have infinite invisibility. Don't tell me that dude just fell off the map. He's stupid. Bro, he's stupid for falling off the map. You stupid for coming for me, bro. You should have had not came for me, bro. You literally got yourself dead now, bro. You fell off the map, bro.
I'm gonna take her on a date, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna take her on a date. Dang, who is that with that big old booty? Girl, you look
Good. What'd you say, bro? What'd you say? What'd you say, bro? What'd you say? Seven hundred seventy-seven times. You are so ugly. Make sure I don't kill this 9,000 kill streak. Make sure I don't kill that 9,000 kill streak because he worked so hard for that. Ow! Who orb spamming? Who is that orb spamming? Who's that? Who is that trying to orb spam and kill us? Who's that? Don't be trying to kill me. You stupid. Everyone literally got invisibility. This 500 must be clueless that everyone now got invisibility when they reach above 100 kills or something. When they reach above 250 kills or something. He might not know that we can't even that we got infinite invisibility every time we reach above 250. 1,000 times. $500 kills is actually my favorite phase. What are you doing stuck with 8 kills, bro? Why are you just looking? You're supposed to be getting kills like us. You're supposed to have more than 250 kills like us. We the gang with more than 250 kills. Be like us. Like that dude with 12,000 kills. Huh? You literally got 12,000 kills. How long you been on this game for, bro? I don't know how long you been on this game for, bro. He must have been on this game for like so many hours, bro. Like what? What? Okay, I need to hurry up. against against 2,500 kills because I might not have no enough time, no enough space to record for long. Yay! 45! Now, if you didn't know, I think that is a Starfall 100 kill streak. 100 kill streak with Starfall. Oh wait, gotta pause the video. I think my dad here with the ice cream, bro. Stop trying to kill me. Okay, had to give my ice cream, burger, fries, and nuggets. He gonna get 2,500. Yo. Don't order me. Don't order me or I will kill you. Don't order me or I will kill you. I will call you. I will call you. I will call you. Derek. Hey, Derek. Okay, I'm almost at 2,500, which is my favorite phase. Oh wait. Wait, is that him? Come on, bro, I can't tell! Dang. I can't tell if that's him! Come on, bro. Oh! Don't you warn me. Who was that? Who's that used the orb? You better not warn me or I'ma kill you. I'ma kill you. I got infinite invisibility. I'ma kill you if you try to warn me. 2,500. This is my favorite phrase.
Hello, Timothy.
Almost at 3,000, but that's not a phase to let you know. What do you rate this killstreak music? I rate it a 9.2 out of 10. Stop trying to kill me! We can't kill each other, bro. We both got infinity invisibility. Is you stupid? Bro, both of us got infinite invisibility. What you doing, bro? Oh! Want all work. We don't want all work because it's the summertime. Bro, why you still going, bro? That's literally the max phase, bro. This has nothing to do with that. What did you just try to do? Stop trying to kill me. Why you trying to kill me? You know how many clicks this took? And you trying to kill me? You don't know that I have infinity invisibility? And you still talk? Oh, me, bro. been connected to a speaker. The Zaire speaker. I'm hungry. Hello, hungry. I'm Dad. Oh, slap Mr. Johnson in his bald head. Because killstreak and the starfall is literally the only gloves that you can afford. So why do you need swaps? So you can get some noobs? You finna get 1,000, buddy. Yes, why you look at me like that? Don't use that ability on me. Just try the ability out. I don't even got no ability no more. I still got ability, but I don't got no ability. If he has a sword, then how does he have an ability? And if I have a sword, why don't I have an ability? I guess it's because I got a higher phase than him. You guys smell my so-called steak breath then if you're gonna call my breath steak. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if I immediately die with 5,000 kills again, like I did last time. I got 5,000. D-Quad. 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 Bro gonna be in the house cleaning, cutting the grass, watching the dishes, watching the car, and all summer. He don't even have no killstreak music at this point. He literally got 50,000 for. I hear a 10 killstreak. Well, my favorite place. Okay, I hope I don't immediately die when I get 5,000 kills. Here we go. Oh. Okay. The screen just gets blue. Like it does with 75 happens. Ah! Let's see what killstreak. Did my killstreak music just vanish immediately? So it seems like this is the max phase. So that dude's just getting killed for nothing. So yeah, these are all the phases. Wait, I gotta do something real quick. Never forget to drown. Hey, stop! Put the flashbangs, bro. Stop! Hey! I know I said go to sleep. That's why I thought you better be asleep. Why you trying to kill me, huh? $100. Yeah, 50. Is that the max riding, bro? Stop trying to kill me, bro. What? Dang, bro.